Just nearby the German center, there are two parks, Vibo Park and the Art Park. My wife and I, we walk almost every day. Someone stick this needle in the tree. This is a fertilizer to give the tree more energy. Yeah, it's like an injection for humans. Many goldfish. Je mehr Fische in einem Gewässer sind, desto gesünder ist ein Gewässer. My name is Lothar Süsk. I come from Germany. I'm the chief representative of VDS. VDS is European #1 Institute for Fire Safety and Security. We train people related to fire safety, fire protection. If there is a fire, there's also many dust, a lot of pollution and a lot of damage, poison air, etc. We have experienced more than 100 years. I'm leading the office here in Shanghai since 18 years. I started my business career in the forest. I worked 7 years in the forest. And I worked also as an environment consultant. So I have many experience in the forest and also environment protection. I like to give, and it's not necessary to do big things. Also small things can make the difference. First of all, it's because of my German parents' education. On the other side, I learned a lot of many things from China. So Lei Fang, this is the idol if you talk about volunteering in China. So I also learned from him. One day, a volunteer association here in Changchang asked me if I want to be a member. So I became a member of I4 Volunteer Association. Now I'm a representative of I4. We are doing many activities. For example, I'm responsible for inspecting the forest or the river banks, maintenance and monitoring and control, or take the garbage in the area. Bei manchen Nadelbäumen sieht man auch, ja, da ist es ganz eindeutig. Der linke Baum ist absolut gesund, ja, und der rechte Baum mit den braunen Teilen, der schwächelt. Einer hat ein starkes Immunsystem, der andere weniger. The needle tree and the leaf tree, Nadelbäume und Laubbäume. A lot of variation. The first time I come to China, it was in 2001. Over the 24 years, I have seen the development in many areas. Industry development, infrastructure development, and also ecological development. So if not only industry area, many parks have been developed, especially in Shanghai, Pudong. I also have noticed that the water, the river and the lakes are getting more clean. You can look deep to the ground. You can see many fishes. Environment protection is good for everyone. Not only for the people who are living, like my wife and me here in Changchang, for everyone, including tourism. If Shanghai is clean, it's more attractive, especially for foreigners, people from abroad. I have seen a lot of changes, improvement in Shanghai. As Xi Jinping said, green mountains, green river means golden mountain and silver river. It means if we have green water and green mountain, that means development. So for industry, also prosperity. Let's work together and then we can achieve something. We can protect our environment. The sky will more and more bright.